la la la. Well, I'm good. Get. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 17. Need like 30. Couple something. Go to the other side. This is my side. I've claimed it for myself. You still have no armor, do you? Except for that chest plate. The goggles are more important than, you know, like the thing. What they call it?
Well, actually, I'm wearing them as like a thing.
No, you're not.
They're in the costume part. Yeah. I actually have a glowing helmet on.
Glowing helmet of glowing.
The miners.
Yeah.
The miner's helmet thing. Is your pickaxe special in any way?
That means it does extra damage.
Oh.
And you know what the use of that on the pickaxe is? Absolutely nothing.
Damn, we're just demolishing this place.
We're gonna hollow out this planet, and we will blow it up.
To get all the obsidian.
By the way, there's a blue slime coming.
Use sticky bombs.
And he wants you dead.
Oh,
fell out of
Jesus.
the sky.
I was looking at that one, I was like, nah, it's gonna go for you. Bam! Out of nowhere.
Ninja blue thing.
I see your damaging thing was useful right there.
I think that's what
Let's
we
just
were
mine
trying
this
to
till
do
it's
anyway.
gone. How entertaining for your only viewer, which is me. Rewatch everything I just did.
So it's like half speed.
Then put like Rebecca
I'm
Black
putting
in the
Let the Bodies
background.
Hit the Floor in the background.
Me.
It's not even the same song.
I don't care. Because it's not Friday.
It's almost
It's
Wednesday
actually
though.
Tuesday.
On the
Whatever.
Wait, is Ethan still in Terraria? No, he's in Left 4 Dead 2 now. I don't know.
Didn't he have like a Let's
He's doing
Play
a
or
Left 4 Dead
something?
Let's Play by himself.
Wow. Pretty fun. Do you know that we won the
good.
war today? In
How
history
did you
class?
determine that you actually won this war? What determined it?
Yeah, we had... Everyone else had like 10,000 people in army. We had
Wow.
200, but we still won. Because what we did, there's one country that was pretty much like Hitler, and they wanted to kill everyone and make everyone dead. So I just went around to every group and I was like, kill them. And so everyone attacked them, and we called world peace, and we won. So I got like some kind of major award because I'm amazing and I just killed Hitler in history class.
That's pretty good.
So yeah. How much hellstone do
Okay,
you
well
have?
I have everything I need now,
Oh,
so
I
you
have-
can have all the rest of my stuff, which is absolutely nothing.
I have
Yeah, that should
300
pretty much be
hellstone
enough,
block,
or
thanks.
whatever. Awkward. They can have that awkward demon bow. Well, I have this. I have a nimble molten pickaxe. It's nimble. Nimble. So much more nimble. Okay, get back here. I'll give you some extra. I have 3 extra hellstone and 8 extra obsidian. So, just saying.
Wow.
Just saying.
Totally
How
want
wait,
that.
you should have enough by now for almost everything.
My problem is trying to get
Hey,
up
guess
there.
what? You can use a mirror. Did you know that? There's a health forge in the home.
No, not to get you. So, what
Have
if
you
I
mined the
need
Planet
more?
Hollow now? So your answer is yes, there is no more. You probably have it
No,
like,
not
mined
yet.
out now, so it doesn't even matter. Remember to put everything into the noob chest when you're done with it.
I slap it wherever I want.
No, I'm gonna designate this other gold chest as noob chest numero deuce. There's a second noob chest. Is there any more noob? They can have the worm food because we're not going to need it. They can have that demonite. And they can also have some of this house stone down here. There we go. Just give the noobs something so they don't feel as bad. Okay, do you think we should kill Skeletron and go down and see what's in the dungeon biome thing?
Sure, in a bit. Just let me
How much more
mine
areas
this
do you have
hollow.
left? A little bit.
A riddle bit. Just a riddle bit.
I'm guessing that's probably where almost all the hearts are, though, is in the dungeon. Why is the old man still down here?
Probably. Bet you every single room in the dungeon has like 10 hearts. How dumb.
You're done? That'd be very dumb.
I said how dumb
At
would
least
that
then we'd
be?
be prepared.
On a scale to 1 of
One
the
to the-
idiot test in
The idiot
Minecraft.
test? What's that?
How dumb is that? That's the one with the thing that I fell in.
Oh. In the box. The first obstacle in the game that tells you it's an obstacle, and you fail at it. You failed miserably
I
at
didn't
it.
fail
then.
at.
Is that better?
I
Path
chose
of
the
life.
wrong path.
That was not a good career choice for you.
Almost done. Only
God.
2 rows
Have
left.
enough by now, and then you just put the rest in the noob chest, and then they can fight over it.
Yeah. I'm just helping them.
Make sure you have enough obsidian too. Just saying. No, you need more than 60.
Yeah,
Get as much as you
60
can. Get like 200. It should, but they only break in one hit too, so it shouldn't be that long. And they also break
Why?
with bombs, I think.
Yeah, they do. I don't have any. Actually, I do. I have 4 dynamite, but I'm
All
gonna save that. Where is this worm coming from?
Yeah.
Probably, yeah. Okay, 3,
Get
2,
some obsidian. Just
1.
saying this now.
No more left.
60 is not enough. 60 is enough for
Have
60
rocks.
bars, which is not enough for the amount of hellstone that you have. Get more. Get like at least 120.
Who said I had 60?
You said you had 60.
Said I had
How
60.
many did you say you had?
I didn't. I said I
Obsidian
had
or
500.
hellstone?
Fluffy kittens.
Okay. You have 160 fluffy kittens.
Oh.
No, I wouldn't.
Would you like some?
No.
You don't want any fluffy kittens? What is wrong with this game? Literally it is.
There are-
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
It's me rage
can hear
clicking. I got
33 obsidian.
33.
Ugh.
No.
33 fluffy
How did I
puppies
run
now.
out? Okay, I'll have. How'd you know?
By the way,
Okay, well I have lots of obsidian left. You told me to get like 100. I only used 20 of it.
you said you had 300 obsidian. How did, or 300
One.
hellstone?
2. Tree.
Hey.
Stupid
Did you make
goggles.
any?
Get
Did you
out.
make any of the tools?
Yay.
Do you have the do you have the sword, the flame ring,
Um,
the axe,
I have a
the
pickaxe.
molten fury? We can make a.
I only have
make
21 left.
Yeah. You can make either the flame ring or the molten fury.
The what?
At the crafting station.
Where?
Give me it, and I will
I can't.
prove you wrong. You're wrong. What do you?
Alright, where's the noob chest?
And for some reason, wait, why can't you make it? Wait, what? The noob chests are these two chests right here. Hey, guide, why is the hellstone not working?
Oh, I
See,
kind of
that's
put in all of
15,
these.
but you don't have that. Oh, it's 25. Do you have your enchanted boomerang? Oh, okay.
I have an
You need 4 more
unpleasant
bars in
flamerang.
order to get Wait, do you have any obsidian or any more hellstone like blocks?
No.
Fine, I'll put it in the noob chest.
Whatever.
Yeah, and we can kill Skeletron. Okay. It's almost night.
Alright.
Until then,
I got this
have this big
anyways.
sword.
Do I not go on fire unless I take off my goggles? Oh, but I want my goggles on. So pimpin'. Guess they will have to go in the newbie chest. Or the chest that I call
No, it's
noob, which
newbie.
actually has all our old good gear. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 bands of regeneration
I have
that
one
we
on.
aren't using. I also have one on
Ian
too,
has
so
one
that's
on and
6,
Ethan has one.
7,
Get
8, 9. This game is trigger happy with those things. I probably will
I'll
survive.
take your money though.
I'd take that back.
It won't take up together. There's 4
You can have
silver
my 2
actually.
silver.
That was
Wow,
double what you
what
said,
an
so I'm
upgrade.
taking it as an upgrade.
Triple. Called it. The end. I win. Why do I... Guess what? I'm gonna fall and die.
You landed on
Oh
platform.
god, tricked you.
The first platform.
That was a pretty far fall. I
Oh
don't know what you're
god,
talking about.
what can we do in... No.
I can hit you through the wall. You're dead. Stack. Blue
No,
party?
go back to red.
What now?
You won't
Why?
lose money if we PvP, just saying.
Bread.
By the way, you have the unfair advantage. Ow! That's, you didn't even say where. Oh god! It's
You're
2
dead.
hits! Oh god, that's not even fit.
Should have had to catch me. You have a gun? Oh, no shit.
God.
Yes!
Aw, it's not nighttime yet, officially.
Guess what? Bam.
Guess what?